Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, you mad Etsy sellers, wherever you reside. I've got a story time for you, and you're going to love this. This store makes approximately $84,000, which is about 7,000 or so dollars per month. Really good money, fantastic store. I really like it. It's got some great ideas on it. But guys, I do all things Etsy, digital products, selling online, and all of that great stuff. I've got over 900 videos dedicated just for you. So make sure you check them out, guys, so you can see exactly how to make money through Etsy. It's a 3-year-old store, guys. It's been going on for a while, right? It's from Italy, Italian owner. I really like it. And you can see that they have these digital downloads, quite a mixed bag of digital downloads. They have approximately 230 listings. So, quite a few listings, although for 3 years, I'd probably expect more listings. But then again, if you're making around 7K per month, then you might not need any more listings, right? You might be happy. But there's a story here, guys, a really cool story. Because way back when the seller started selling, they weren't making any money. In fact, they were making no money. So this is why I love stories on Etsy, because you get to understand what the seller went through and how they overcame it or overcome it and found a way to sell. And this is why I love it so much. Now, they have many different types of listings. Now, if I look and just show you, just look at these from these SVG designs for soccer. You got these custom SVGs, laser cut, it's a really mixed bag. You got these custom, maybe cartoon style, personalized, designs like these anime ones. So you send your photo in, they create the anime version of the family portrait or so. It's a really mixed bag, guys, mixed bag. But you know what? There's something hidden here, which is like one or two of these listings. In fact, one of these listings is actually making the most money in the month. And guys, this is what I want you to understand. This is not a strange thing or a strange phenomenon. This can actually be quite normal, where people won't make money for a while, but if they pursue it and continue, sooner or later they hit on something that works. Now, let's go to analyze a little bit further, right? Because I know you love your analysis of these stores. So, like I said, I use EverBee, my go-to research SEO tool. So check out EverBee. The link is below if you want to do this kind of analysis. Now, and if you're serious about making money online with AI, why not join my academy, where I'll show you step by step how to create and sell AI made digital products on one of the biggest platforms in the world called Etsy. No experience or design skills are needed. In fact, join my 20-minute challenge where I'll show you how anyone can create Etsy ready AI designs that you can sell, and in less than 20 minutes I'll show you exactly how you can do that. I've only got limited spaces available, so be quick. So click the link below or above and I'll see you inside. All right, let's get back to the video. Let's go to overview. So the overview is here, $7,000 approximately per month, right? Really good. So take my hat off to the seller. I like what they're doing. Go into the listings. You can see there's one listing that is clearly standing out. And in fact, just for you, I'll do a tutorial on how to create it. And in fact, also, I've actually done a video on this particular item that this seller is selling. I actually did this over a year ago. I actually did it when this item was trending, and I'm going to show you what this item is. Now, this item that they sell that's making most of the money, they're actually making $4,000 per month, is making most of the money on the store. It's actually a 9-month-old listing, guys, right? The second highest is also a personalized digital item making $620. But I'm going to focus on the top one making 4K. Now, when I just sort the revenue out, I can see clearly that when you look at some of those older listings, a lot of listings will not make money. And that's very normal. See, people who come into the Etsy game don't realize that they think they can make money quick. They think it's a get rich quick scheme. Guys, it's not. It's about building a business, understanding the game, knowing what things might sell. And sometimes they just won't sell, even if you get it all right. But then those of you that know what it's about and know how to be consistent and are relentless and do not give up and keep going, in the end, you will win. It's just the way it is. Some win sooner than others. It's the way it is, guys. You just got to accept it. But then when you win and you get that revenue that comes in and you're making decent money, then I'll see a smile on your face. Now, check this out. Look, I'm going to go to this listing that's making the most money and I'll show you what it is because I know you've been waiting. Now, this is the listing. Let me just actually click on it so you see it properly. Okay, guys, this is called the action figure or the custom action figure. And what it is quite simply these kind of action figures, right? Now, people think they're physical. It's not. It's not actually a physical item. This is just a digital download, but it looks like a real toy figure, right? It's a toy figure of the person that sent the photo. So let's say you send your photo to the seller, they will create a toy figure, action figure for you. Now, you might want an action figure. Maybe your job is as a handyman. So Stephen, the handyman, sent their photo and they wanted a toy figure created with the tools. Jessica's a teacher and she's got a little toy figure created for her too. So this is what the seller does. They get the name, the photo, and all the information from the seller, and they create a simple digital toy action figure, which is sent as a digital download. It's a bestseller. It's making 247 sales. It is making around 4,000 when we look at it, $4,043, and it's a 9-month-old listing. Right? Fantastic. Now, granted, this seller has understood exactly what to do. Now, the thing is, sometimes sellers might try to do something like this and it might not work, right? And people say, why doesn't it work? I'm doing exactly the same thing. Well, there are many factors, guys, many factors. It could be the way you presented your design. Maybe the seller knows how to actually lay out the toy figure. Maybe they're able to communicate properly. So, for example, if you look at the side, the seller's able to communicate exactly what they get and how the figure looks. Maybe they're very realistic. So there are many things. So I always advise, look at the good sellers, look at the sellers that are doing well, try to understand what they're doing, and how they present their designs and their work, just to get a feel and have a understanding of what might work. Then obviously you study the title, you look at the tags. So if I look at some of the tags, if I go to analysis and I go down, you can see some of the tags that are working really well. High number keyword scores like custom figure portrait, which still actually has some low competition, right? So that is why I advise always look at those good sellers, the ones that are doing well. But like I said, guys, I'm going to create a very simple but quick custom action figure, personalized, just so you get to understand how quick and easy it is to do this. I'm going to use myself as an example, just because why not? Like I said, guys, I have done this over a year ago, maybe even like nearly 2 years ago. When it first came out, this trend, I did this. I did a video to show you guys because I like to share this information. I don't gatekeep, guys. I share. I think sharing is caring and all of that good stuff, So I'm going to do a very quick tutorial with you guys using my go-to design AI tool I call Kittl. So yeah, let's hop on it really quickly. Okay, guys, I'm on Kittl, my go-to design editing platform. I love it to bits. You can see the link below and try it out. Honestly, you're going to love it too, for a fact. Now, I've got 25% off all the plans. You can use my promo code, AJYT, but just try it out. Honestly, it does everything. Now, especially if you want to create digital downloads. Now, let's create this quickly. Now, first things first, I'm going to get my image, a picture of me. I'm going to get a picture of this of this guy. Oh God, what a photo. Guys, don't laugh at me, please. All right, create a toy figure with blister packaging and the name on the packaging, which is in blue color. Now remember, I'm doing this like a cappella, basically with you right now live, and I haven't practiced it at all. Can't remember how I did it the last time. I'm just typing in a string of words, which we call prompts, to create the design. Color in blue color. Can't even spell, mate. I can't even spell fella, which is in blue color, and my name in black, which is, I'm gonna say AJ, the wannabe YouTuber. Yeah, I'm a wannabe YouTuber. What? Oh, you saying? Okay, there you go. AJ, the wannabe YouTuber. What else can I include? Okay, so include a camera and a tripod light in the blister packaging. I don't know if it's going to understand any of this. I remember I did it last time, but I did a very good detail prompt. Now this is not detailed. Now what's good is there's many different design models, guys. So lots of different ones, lots of really good ones, guys. Realistic. I'm gonna go with Nano Banana 2, right? Because it's really more realistic imagery. Takes a few more tokens, but definitely worth it. Now, remember, you can try different design models is what's good to get different outcomes, right? So like, I don't know if it's going to work this time. If it doesn't, it's okay. I can always amend. I mean, this is the beauty about AI, is that you always go back, you change things up, you add things, you can remove things. It's a bit of practice. Now, the thing is, once you got a prompt that works, now sometimes you can use things like ChatGPT to create a really good prompt. You might say, produce a prompt for me for blah blah for a design, and it can do, and you can copy and paste it into here, so that can work. I'm just doing it straight off the bat so that you can just see what it looks like raw, like literally. Okay, but then you can refine it, you can add, you can change it up, you can do what you like. Anyway, stop talking, AJ, and generate. Okay, so it's going to generate the design. Should have said, I didn't even say of action figure of me. I mean, I could have added much more information. To be honest with you, I should have added more information. Oh my God, that is excellent. That's not bad. That's actually not bad. Okay, let me just remove the background because it's way too busy. Okay, look. I mean, look, that's actually not bad. Okay, it's not bad, is it? It is not bad. Look, obviously, there's a lot more work I need to do, guys, for real. Right. I mean, that looks bloody good. Actually made me quite muscly. How the hell does it know I'm wearing black jeans? Nah, that's crazy. That's scary. How does it know I'm wearing black jeans? Yeah, actually, no, I'm wearing black jeans, guys. How does it know that? No, that's crazy. But yeah. Anyway. Okay, so I mean, just to show you how you can just change things up, just to give you a bit of tip. Now, obviously, this is not exactly how I want it. There's a lot more refinement to do here. I'll be honest with you guys. But I just want to show you something, right? Where how you change things up, change the backing card of the packaging to blue and the writing to white color. Right? I just want to show you how you can amend things just quickly. Just quickly. Blue color, plain to blue, plain blue. I mean, plain blue color, right? I don't want any of that stuff I mean, I like the idea behind it. It's got a barcode, got everything, right? But I'm changing it up a little bit. I mean, there's a lot more refinement to do, I'll be honest with you. It needs much more refining. It's probably the kind of one that ChatGPT could give me a really cool prompt with, to be honest. This is just really just to show you. I mean, look, this is just my very first attempt. It does need refinement. And it did the light. Look at that. The light and the camera did those on a tripod, which is what I asked. There you go. Change the colors, right? It's too realistic, though. Obviously, I want it a little bit more. That's pretty good. Anyway, guys, this is just to show you how easy it is to do, right? It needs a lot more work, This is not exactly how I want it. I want it much clearer. I need it sharper. I need the design and the blister packaging is kind of not giving clarity to the actual model itself. So a lot more work to do, but can I just at least show you how long did I do? A few minutes, maybe? Created this. I'll probably go to ChatGPT to do a little bit more refinement, definitely. Okay, guys, so what I've done is I've kind of added something to this, which I've said, make this more suitable as a clear digital download. Now, as you can see, it is improving, right? It is improving much more now. Let me just remove the background so you understand what I'm talking about. You can see that the design is much better, right? It's more suitable as a digital download, right? You can see it. So this is way better and clearer than the others. Now, I'll probably go and remove things like the barcode and all this stuff. It's not necessary. I might even get rid of although I do like the way he's drawn me out in the background, the blister packaging probably needs to be a little bit clearer. So, but you can see how you can refine it and improve it. I mean, look at it. Compared to this one, this just looks like something that's been on the shelf for a while. But the other one looks much crisper, much cleaner. And that was just a simple prompt saying, make this more suitable as a clear digital download. So look, guys, you can see how quickly you can actually get this done. It just needs a few tweaks and it's really there. And if you're serious about making money online with AI, why not join my academy where I'll show you step by step how to create and sell AI-made digital products. Anyway, if you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I shall see you on the next one. Take care.